All right, everyone, Smoking Bears, cheers. Hope everyone's having a great week. Today, we're going to do my rendition of a green bean casserole. Old recipe. Sure, it's been around every church smorgasbord forever, but we're going to do it my way. So let's get into this. So for this recipe, it is 2 cans of green beans to 1 can of soup. Cream of mushroom soup's what I got. You top it with French's onions. I have some roasted red peppers that I want to throw in there just for giggles. And we're going to put it in a Dutch oven. I got Bear Cubs Veronica out, so we're going to put it in a Dutch oven. And I got the mini smoker outside heating up, so yeah, we're going to smoke this green bean casserole. Okay, first things first. Green beans go in the colander. Drain them out. Both cans, 4 cans, 6 cans, however much you're going to do. Strain them. Reason why I do this is because otherwise it gets a little too soupy. And then I'll rinse them. Just give them a quick rinse, get some of that processing off of them. Looks like I got enough. I can add some more if I want. Alright, so I'm going to double the recipe. So that's 4 cans of green beans. Go in to the colander. Water. Just a light rinse. Kind of toss. And this will really help bring out the bean flavor in your canned green beans. Gets rid of some of that processed flavor. Alright. Now just take the green beans, drop them into your, ooh, that's going to be full. Drop them into your Dutch oven. Get them all in there. Yep. See, that's going to be pretty full, but that's okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the cream of mushroom soup, dump it in there. Like I said, this is 2 cans of beans to 1 can of soup, so make it as big or as small as you want. 9x13 pan's fine. 6 cans of beans to 3 cans of soup. Just dump this in here like this. Get it all out the bottom there. Now let's slide over here. We got our roasted red peppers. I just pulled out what was left in there in the jar, so I don't know how much it is. Maybe a cup. And I'm just going to give them a coarse chop. Nothing fancy, just a coarse rough chop. And this is just for color. Just to pop it up a little bit for the holiday. Bacon would be a good substitute right here instead of the roasted red peppers. And then just give it a mix. Oops. Try to get some of that soup all incorporated. And that's it. Just give it a good mix. Knock that down. And something just doesn't feel right yet, so let's just put a little black pepper, a little cracked jack right up in there. All right. Now we're going to top with our fried onions. I also have a little surprise I found. Mix some of them in there too. Not too many. I mean, I don't want to light nobody up, but we'll mix them around. Just for an added surprise, that's all. Put that whole little thing on there. And that is it, my friends. Now, the reason why I didn't add any salt is because I know these are very salty. Alright guys, there it is. The mini stayed about 260. This ran for 2 hours. As you can see, it got some nice color. So let's just dip on in here. See the steam coming off of that? Let's get a little bit more. There it is. All right, so here it is. Let's see what it tastes like. Right away you get the texture, the crunch from the, there's some heat from the jalapenos. That was a hot one. You get the smoothness of the green beans and the casserole. Or the soup. You get the crunch from the jalapenos and the onions. It's good. And the little red peppers give it a little color. Brighten it up, make it a little more festive. Watch out, those jalapenos got a little kick. Woo. Alright, that's Smoking Bears. That's my Cast Iron Wednesday. Everybody have a great week. Remember, a family that cooks together stays together.